Welcome to Exciting Machines.
Today, we've got something special to unpack and explore, the Zugu Case for iPad. But before we dive in, you know the drill. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our tech explorations. Now, let's talk about something every iPad owner needs to consider: protection. In the ever-evolving world of technology, where our gadgets are practically an extension of ourselves, ensuring their safety is paramount. And that's where a good protective case comes into play. It's not just about shielding your device from scratches and bumps. It's about safeguarding your investment, preserving that sleek design, and adding a touch of functionality to your daily tech life. So today, we're putting the spotlight on the Zugu Case, a name that's been making waves in the world of iPad protection. Join me as we unbox, dissect, and explore what makes this case stand out in the crowd. Without further ado, let's jump right in. All right, Wanderers, it's unboxing time. First things first, let's take a look at the packaging of the Zugu Case for iPad. As we know, the first impression is crucial, and Zugu seems to have paid extra attention to this detail. Now, what sets this apart? Well, apart from the sleek and clean design, one thing that caught my eye is the attention to detail on the packaging. It's not just a box, it's a sneak peek into what this case is all about. They've managed to capture the essence of their product right from the get-go. Before we unveil the treasure inside, notice this specific feature that makes the Zugu Case packaging stand out. It's the little things that can make a big difference, don't you think? Now let's get to the good part. Get ready for some close-up shots because we're about to see what makes this case more than just a shell for your iPad. There it is, the Zugu Case in all its glory. The initial impression is crucial, but let's not judge a book by its cover. Well, in this case, a case by its box. Let's talk about its design and build. The first thing you'll notice is the sleek and sophisticated design that seamlessly complements the iPad's aesthetics. The Zugu Case doesn't just encase your iPad, it elevates its look. The slim profile adds minimal bulk, maintaining the device's portability, while the precision in design ensures easy access to all ports and buttons. Now, let's talk about what it's made of. The Zugu Case is crafted from mentioned material, a choice that not only feels premium to the touch, but also promises durability. It's not just about protecting your iPad, it's about ensuring that this case can withstand the test of time, because let's face it, our gadgets are an investment. But it's not all about looks. Functionality is key. The Zugu Case incorporates some thoughtful design elements that enhance the overall user experience. These aren't just gimmicks. They're practical additions that make your iPad usage more versatile and convenient. All right, Wanderers, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, compatibility, and fit. Now, the last thing you want is to invest in a case only to find out it's not a snug fit for your iPad. The Zugu Case has got you covered. It's compatible with a range of iPad models, including list-compatible models. So, whether you're rocking the latest iPad Pro or have an earlier model, you can rest easy knowing that the Zugu Case is tailor-made for your device. You want a case that not only fits like a glove, but also provides easy access to all the necessary features without compromising on security. And there you have it, a perfect match. The Zugu Case doesn't just fit. It embraces your iPad, ensuring a secure hold without sacrificing style or functionality. All right, Wanderers, before you rush to grab the Zugu Case for your iPad, let's make sure it's a perfect match. Compatibility is key when it comes to protective cases, and luckily, Zugu has got you covered. Whether you have the latest iPad Pro, the trusty iPad Air, or a previous generation iPad, chances are there's a Zugu Case tailor-made for your device. Now, why does this matter? Well, a precise fit means more than just aesthetics. It means your iPad is securely cradled within the case, providing not only protection from scratches and dings, but also ensuring easy access to all the features your iPad has to offer. So, if you're rocking one of these compatible iPad models, you're in luck. The Zugu Case is ready to join the ranks of your tech arsenal. Now that we know the Zugu Case is a snug fit for our iPads, let's explore its standout features. one key aspect that caught my eye is the built-in pen holder. The Zugu Case isn't just about protection, it's a productivity booster. The integrated stand allows you to position your iPad at various angles, whether you're typing, watching content, or attending virtual meetings. For the creative minds or those prone to misplacing their Apple Pencil, the Zugu Case has a solution with its convenient pen holder. No more rummaging through bags or searching your home for your stylus. It's right there when you need it. These features go beyond safeguarding your device. They transform your iPad into a versatile tool that seamlessly integrates into your daily life. The small yet impactful pen holder ensures quick access, enabling you to jot down ideas or sketch on the go. As we uncover more about the Zugu Case, consider how these features can elevate your iPad experience daily. Now that we've explored the Zugu Case's design and functionality, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, protection, and durability. Because let's face it, no matter how sleek or functional a case is, if it can't protect your iPad, it's a no-go. The Zugu Case takes protection seriously. It's like a fortress for your iPad. The shock absorption work together to shield your device from the inevitable bumps and knocks of daily life. It's not just a case. It's an armor designed to keep your iPad looking as pristine as the day you unboxed it. It's moments like these that make you appreciate the investment in a quality case. The Zugu Case has personally saved my iPad from specific incident. And that's when you know it's more than just a protective accessory. It's a guardian for your valuable tech. So Wanderers, if you've ever had that heart-stopping moment when your device takes an unexpected tumble, you'll understand the peace of mind that comes with a reliable, protective case. All right, Wanderers, let's get personal. I've been using the Zugu Case for my iPad for quite some time now, and I've got some thoughts to share on the overall user experience. First and foremost, I've been genuinely impressed with how seamlessly the Zugu Case integrates into my daily tech routine. The stand functionality has been a game changer, especially during those long Netflix binging sessions or when I'm working on my iPad. Finding that perfect angle is a breeze, and it adds a level of convenience that I didn't know I was missing. Now, let's talk about durability. I've had my fair share of accidental drops, and the Zugu Case has been a reliable guardian. It's reassuring to know that my iPad is well protected without compromising on style or functionality. Of course, no product is perfect, and in the spirit of honest reviews, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons to make an informed decision based on your specific needs. And there you have it, Wanderers. We've explored the Zugu Case from unboxing to durability, unveiling its sleek design, premium materials, and multifunctional features. From versatile stand options to the convenient built-in pen holder, the Zugu Case enhances your iPad experience in every way. Now, the big question, is the Zugu Case worth the investment? Without a doubt. It stands out as a reliable companion, offering robust protection and seamless integration into your daily tech life. Wanderers, if you seek a top-notch iPad case balancing style, functionality, and durability, the Zugu Case earns our solid recommendation. If you've enjoyed our Zugu Case deep dive, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thank you for watching.